Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team at Pentagon Solutions. And in this short video I'm going to show you a product which is used in a host of applications such as AutoCAD, AutoCAD Architecture, Civil 3D or MicroStation, which is used for swept path analysis, car park design and roundabout design for any type of vehicle, and this program is called Vehicle Tracking. Vehicle Tracking is a software tool that is used for transportation analysis and design. It is primarily used in the field of civil engineering and transportation engineering to simulate and analyze vehicle movements on roads, highways, roundabouts and car parks. The software provides a comprehensive set of tools for designing and analyzing transportation systems, including vehicle path analysis, roundabout design, car park design, and sightline analysis. With vehicle tracking, engineers and designers can simulate vehicle movements and evaluate design options to optimize safety and efficiency. The software also allows users to analyze and visualize data such as vehicle speeds, acceleration, and braking distances to identify potential issues and improve designs. Overall, vehicle tracking is a powerful tool that helps transportation engineers and designers to plan, design, and analyze transportation systems with greater accuracy and efficiency. There are several benefits to using vehicle tracking for transportation analysis and design. Number 1, improves safety. By simulating vehicle movements and evaluating design options, vehicle tracking helps to identify potential safety issues and improve designs to reduce the risk of accidents. Number 2, increased efficiency. The software allows users to optimize designs for efficiency by analyzing vehicle movements and identifying opportunities to reduce travel time and congestion. Number 3, cost savings. By optimizing designs and reducing the risk of accidents, vehicle tracking can help to save costs associated with construction, maintenance, and liability. Number 4, better visualization. The software provides visualizations of vehicle movements, which helps to communicate design concepts and identify potential issues more effectively. Number 5, easy integration. Vehicle tracking is integrated with other software products such as AutoCAD, AutoCAD Architecture, and Civil 3D, as well as MicroStation, making it easier to incorporate transportation analysis and design into overall project workflows. And lastly, number 6, compliance with standards. The software includes a library of transportation standards such as DMRB and NRA, which can help ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations in both the UK and the Republic of Ireland. As well as the benefits I have just mentioned, vehicle tracking can save a significant amount of time during the transportation analysis and design process. Here are some specific examples. Number 1, vehicle path analysis. With vehicle tracking, engineers can quickly and accurately simulate vehicle movements and evaluate design options. This can help to save time compared to traditional methods, which may involve manual calculation and physical tests. Number 2, roundabout design. Vehicle tracking provides a comprehensive set of tools for roundabout design, including the ability to quickly generate roundabout layouts and analyze vehicle movements. This can save significant time compared to manual methods, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Number 3, car park design. The software allows engineers to quickly design and analyze car parks, including the ability to generate layouts, calculate parking capacity, and analyze vehicle movements. This can save significant time compared to manual methods, which can be complex and time-consuming. And finally, number 4, sightline analysis. With vehicle tracking, engineers can quickly analyze sightlines for drivers and pedestrians, helping to identify potential safety issues. This can save time compared to manual methods, which can involve complex calculations and visual inspections. As you can see, there are many benefits and significant time saved for transportation design using vehicle tracking. Pentagon is proud to be recognized as an authorized training center, offering tailored and bespoke courses for vehicle tracking. We understand that vehicle tracking offers a vast array of features and capabilities that can be daunting for first-time users. Our training courses are designed to help you fully harness the potential of this innovative software by providing you with the skills and knowledge required to utilize its features effectively. Our comprehensive training can be delivered in person or online to suit your requirements, and our team of experienced instructors such as myself will guide you through the process, ensuring that you get the most out of the product. With our training, you can learn how to simulate vehicle movements, analyze roundabout designs, optimize car park layouts, and perform sightline analysis, among other essential features. Without proper training, you may not be able to fully utilize the software's capabilities, which could result in missed opportunities to save time and money in the long run. By completing our training, you can gain confidence in using the software, improve your efficiency, and deliver better results in your transportation analysis and design projects. Don't miss out on the potential benefits of vehicle tracking. Enroll in our training program today. Vehicle tracking is fully integrated with BIM software such as Civil 3D, allowing transportation design data to be integrated with the overall building or infrastructure model. This integration enables engineers and designers to better understand the impact of transportation systems on the overall project and identify potential conflicts or issues before construction begins. For example, vehicle tracking can be used to analyze vehicle access and egress from a building or car park, and this data can be integrated into the BIM model to inform other design decisions, such as the location of entry and exit points or the size of the car park. This integration can help to improve coordination among different disciplines and reduce conflicts between design elements. To conclude, this product is innovative in many different ways, and it is important to get trained in this product correctly to ensure you get efficient transportation data which can be used throughout all stages of a project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn your notification on to be kept up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.